First, we'll begin with a left-hand roll. The left arm is in front and is doing all the work. Fall out on the right side of the boat. We'll pause this here. This is a good setup for a beginner. Both hands are above the water or approximately at the water surface. And this is a good place just to pause, get your bearings, and then we'll make the movement. Later on, once you get good at this, you can skip the pause here, and it actually makes it easier for you just to keep the boat moving in the rolling direction. While we're paused here, we'll note that the wrists are bent so that the fists are pointed away from the biceps. This will help give you a little more purchase with the paddle blade as you swing it in that C shape. So it'll help right the boat and then put the paddler back into the boat. It's kind of like a sculling motion or like a bracing motion. That paddle blade is angled to the surface of the water. Now we'll do another left-handed roll, this time full speed.
Those are 4 left-handed rolls. Now we'll do right-handed rolls.
Now we'll do 2 right-handed rolls. The first one will be at full speed. The second one will pause again at the setup position to help a beginner learn. We'll pause here. Notice my right hand is not above the surface of the water. The paddle blade is therefore deeper than it should be. In this setup, I have not brought my paddle blade close enough to the surface, so I'll have extra trouble rolling on the right side. For me to roll better, that right hand needs to be, the lead hand, needs to be up higher so it has more ability to sweep across the surface and then more room to push downward once I'm snapping my hip and then pulling my head out of the water last. Now let's watch the entire video again, this time without interruption.
And now a faster roll. Those are 4 left-handed rolls. Now we'll do right-handed rolls.